What's up, y'all? We are playing the new Dragon Train, which has made it to our local. I originally was not going to record. We started with $100. We've been getting some decent line hits, so let's see if we can get one of these jackpots. Our neighbor just got the major on her. She was betting $1. What, $1? $5. $1 D9, $5 bet. So let's see if we can match her or better with our little 250 bet. Yep, we're playing 5 cent 250. And he is wild. For those of you who don't know, we believe this is our bonus symbol. And we need 6 of those, I guess is it coal or gold?
Gold nuggets.
Gold nuggets. So hopefully we can get a couple bonuses and some jackpots. There go honey. Now this is our second time landing this. We're not really sure what that does yet. So hopefully we can find out. Oh, bonus. Ah, we got the bonus, y'all. We got the bonus, $2.50 on nickels. Let's see what we got to do.
I don't think you get the bonus. You get the bonus.
I think it's the bonus.
It's just a scatter code.
Aren't scatters the bonus symbol? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So we get 6 free games, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on the reels, 1 and 5 plus nudging wilds. Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Get in there. Whatever was needed, I needed it in there.
I guess we could have got 2 more and one more of those and had 8 balls.
Okay. Alright. That's 5 of a kind. And once again, those are our jackpots. Come on, get to the little golden ball. Got 3 games left. Kind of look like Golden Century's daddy, don't it? Okay, so we can get a screen full of those. We'll take that. You guys, please make sure you hit that thumbs up for me on our videos when you watch them. Ooh, is that it? That's 6? Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Like the dragon links. Let's go, babe.
Let's go.
Oh, no, don't do that. Get in there. Thank you. Oh, yes. Got the mini. Mini's $50. Get the grand. Yes. So every time we land one, we get 3 more spins.
Let's go.
Come on, more words, please. Oh, look, it's doing something up there. What does that mean? Oh, that was our last spin. Yes. All right.
Got one more spin.
Got one more spin.
See what it do.
So what I was saying was, y'all, please, when you watch our videos, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like our videos so that the algorithm can kick our videos out, y'all. Let us know you like our content.
Doing it for the people.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe, please. Alright, little dragon train. We started with $100, so now I can officially call this $100 in. $100 in video. Come on, do it again. Do it. You just need 2. Get in there. Oh, nothing lined up. Oh, you must get 2 for that. not bad. We'll take that. Back to back. The line pays seem to be pretty nice too. From the few little spins we did. All right, you guys, we are back. We landed the hold and spin feature. 6 nuggets. I don't know what those are. Let's go, babe. We ended, I think, at like 152, so we're down to 125. Let's go. Let's fill it up, babe. Let's get the grand. Come on, train. Please get in there, train. I wonder if it's like,
What if we can get the train in there?
I just seen it fly through there.
Well, let's get it. Keep it to the game. Yeah.
That's what I was gonna say. I wonder if it's like all aboard, it lands and then it pays.
Oh.
I wonder if it's like that. Let's see. Please land, train. Come on. Or words. See it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Last spin for the win, baby. Save us. Keep us in the game. Pretty graphic. All right. $82.50. We're not complaining about that. Nope, not bad. I mean, it did take pretty much the bonus they gave us. And then just gave us $82.50 back. But it's okay. We learning the game, so we don't really mind right now. Oh, thought that was it, y'all. You guys, we are right back in it. Just a couple spins after I let y'all go. We got the bonus. We triggered. So that is a sword. I just noticed that.
So let's go.
Honey's not excited today, you guys. Oh. One more. Get in there. Anything. Get in there. Yes. I like that. Of course you like it when you win it.
Let's go.
Fill it up. Get some words, please. Words and trains.
Come on, man.
Need 5. Come on, train. Dang. That's okay. We got 4 more spins.
5 more.
5 more
That
spins.
was our first spin, man.
What did he say was wrong with that one over there? Okay, I forgot he does that. It took us a minute to be able to get on this. There are 4 on one cabinet and there's only 3 that's working. So, ooh, re-trigger. Come on, don't be done. All right. Still not bad. $56.50. All right, we back in it, y'all. It took us all the way down to $64. We trying to get that little train to see what it do. Damn train.
Still sitting waiting on it.
Yep, still sitting waiting. Come on, come back, Miner. Come on, baby. So now it's more like a $200 in video. Oh, that was our last spin. Aw. It goes so fast. I'm gonna have to, if we don't get it, I'm gonna have to watch YouTube to see what the train does. Because I wanna know. We're gonna get it though. I'm claiming it. I'm claiming it. We tried a couple $5 bets and couldn't get anything either. So, come on, baby. Money, money, money. Come on, 2 more. Our neighbor just won 5,000. We just landed to major. We stopped and watched her bonus and landed to major. Major is $551. Let's go, babe.
Let's go.
Woo. Come on, minor, pop in there.
Come on.
Come on, let's go.
Get it, babe.
Come on, pop, 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 pop.
Come on.
Come on. Oh, don't be done, baby. Don't be done. Please don't be done.
Wait.
Wait. Right.
Wait,
That's what she told her over there. She told her to wait a minute. So we're going to wait. All right, you ready?
No, wait.
Wait. Oh, my God. All right. I'm finna go.
Go.
Get in there, anything?
Go.
That's okay. We'll take it. Oh. Yes, y'all. We did not get the train, but we got the major. Oh, babe, give me your phone. My phone finna die. Is it? Oh, we in bad shape then. Yay, y'all. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Awesome. That's so cool. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you. She won 6.
She was getting hit. I was like, no.
No, yes, you won that. Yes, I'm so happy you got that. She won $6,728, you guys. We stopped and watched her bonus and then came back to ours and got the major. Sweet. Tap it, babe. He don't want to tap it.
I don't want to tap it.
Okay, sweet.
Okay.
Let's go. Well, if we don't get the train, it was well worth it. Are we in agreement?
Yep.
We are in agreement.
I dropped
You want?
it though.
Woo. That's okay. That's okay. Because remember, the balls are going to show up like 4 in a row or a column or something. Lord, I hope my phone don't die, y'all. Let's go. We're going to go through this. 1, 2, 3. Let's get it, baby. Drop that major back.
Do it.
Oh, does it change though? Oh no, I think some of them do the 2. It's probably gonna be harder.
Come on. One more.
Get in there, please. Get in there. Oh, got 2 games left. Them 3 lines is tough.
Come on.
Got 2 games left. Come on, give it to us.
Do it.
Last chance.
Come on. One more.
Give it to us, please. Get in there. Aww. All right. Oh, I see what you're saying. You dropped it to $3 instead of $6. Okay. Well, that sucked. But I don't like that. Gave us the bonus and didn't pay us nothing. All right, thanks for watching, guys. This was Dragon Train, our first time playing it. Lots of fun. Could not get that train, but that is okay. We'll try again another time. We out this thing, y'all.
Peace.
Y'all, such a fun session.
Today was good.
It was a good day. We are leaving the casino ahead today. So that is always a plus. And we are getting the out of here.
Out of here.
So thanks for watching, you guys. Hit that thumbs up button.
Hit it.
Peace.
Hit it.